Right, yes then. The people, the time. It's just about to go 8 o'clock. I think this is called this one. Irish Town Garda Station, gotta check it out. But yeah, for the most part, the guards, they've been pretty compliant in the sense that, you know, they've respected my public photography right.
Just before 8 in the morning, the videographer arrives outside a local Garda station, preparing to document a routine public audit. The atmosphere is calm, and early impressions suggest a relatively cooperative environment, with officers appearing aware of public filming rights in open spaces.
Yeah, we'll pick it back up.
He introduces himself casually at the front area, explaining that he is recording for personal purposes. The initial interaction is polite and uneventful, with no immediate objections raised. This sets the tone for what appears, at first, to be a straightforward exercise of public photography.
Morning. I'm just here to make a video. Yeah. I'm here to make a video. Just my own recreation. Is that okay?
Make a video?
Yeah.
In relation to what?
Just like the police station or Garda station.
You won't be allowed inside.
No, that's fine. I was just wondering where the cars come in and out from.
The other side.
Okay, thanks.
Seeking clarity, he asks about vehicle access points, continuing his documentation. The response remains cordial, reinforcing his understanding that filming from a public place is generally permitted, provided no laws are being broken or sensitive areas are breached.
Remember, it's the Garda station, not the police station. Pick it back up. Hello.
What are you doing here?
I'm just making a video.
Yeah, you can't record a guard station. It's an offence.
Oh. Is it an offence?
Yes.
Oh,
it's
sorry.
An offence. Can you
Sorry.
stop recording?
Why? I thought I could. Can you get your hand off me?
However, the situation shifts when another officer approaches with a more confrontational tone. Questions arise about the purpose of filming, and the videographer is told that recording the station may constitute an offence, a claim he calmly challenges.
What's your name?
Am I required to give my name?
Yes.
I thought you can film from public.
You're committing an offence here.
What
Recording
offence?
A guard station.
What
Recording
offence?
a guard station.
What's the offence?
It's an offence to record a guard station.
It's not an offence.
Yes, it is.
I've done my research. I'm sure it's not an offence.
It is.
What offence is it?
What's this in relation to anyway?
It's just a video matter of public interest. Can you just relax a bit? There was no need to like touch me and stuff. Like we can have a conversation. Would you mind identifying yourself?
Yeah, there's my number there now.
What's your own name?
I'm not required to give any names. Unless you suspect me of committing an offence.
It's an offence to record a guard
What
station.
offence is it? Look, I'm not trying to be difficult. I came to the front office and told you what I was doing. We didn't seem to have any issues. He's just come up to me, tried to grab me. I understand you got the section 24 power, but that's only if I've
The videographer maintains composure, requesting clarification on the specific law being cited. He emphasizes that his actions are limited to public space and that he has already explained his intentions at the front office without issue 10.
contravened any other section of the Public Order Act. Do you mind identifying yourself? And your name?
There's my number.
He was very aggressive, very hostile. There's no need for that. Pick it back up.
What's this in relation anyway, the video?
It's just a video for matters of public interest, as I explained at the counter. So what's going to happen now?
Increases physical proximity becomes a concern. The videographer asks officers to maintain distance, expressing discomfort with what he perceives as unnecessary escalation. He reiterates his willingness to engage in calm, respectful conversation.
You're aware it's not an offence to film from public? He doesn't want to talk.
How long do you plan on staying here?
So as long as it takes.
What takes?
The discussion turns toward identification. Officers request his name, but he declines, citing his understanding that he is not legally required to provide personal details unless suspected of committing a specific offense.
My film, to film. Is there anything else I can help you with? Excuse me.
Sorry.
I'll ask you a question.
What chance, man?
Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, is there anything I can help you with?
No.
Would you mind stop filming the guard station then?
I'm free to film.
Despite repeated questioning, the videographer continues to assert his rights. He references legal boundaries around public filming, highlighting that documentation of public buildings and visible activity is generally lawful under standard regulations.
Alright, we'll pick this back up. Morning.
Yeah.
Hello.
What are you doing?
I'm just making a video.
Of what?
The Garda station,
For what purpose?
the matters of public interest.
Public interest for what?
The public are interested in videos like this.
And for what though? Like, is it you're recording official? It is. You're not allowed to record official vehicles.
I'm filming from I'm filming from public.
I'm saying to you, you're not allowed to record.
Is there an
official
offence?
Yeah, you're recording.
Officers raise concerns about security, particularly regarding vehicles entering and leaving the station. They suggest that recording such details could pose risks, though the videographer counters that number plates and vehicles are visible to anyone passing by.
Are the vehicle reg numbers coming in and out? Do you know what I mean? There's also codes to the gate there.
It's
I mean,
it's
so
your
what-
job.
what-
It's your
what are you
job to
actually
secure it.
recording for?
Just making a video.
For what though? Public interest for what?
People want to see this. Morning.
What do they want to see? Guards
Just wanna
coming in
see
and out.
videos like this.
You're recording official vehicles coming in and out of a
I'm
secure
not
area.
filming official
Yeah,
vehicles.
it is official. It's official marked.
From here.
From where here? I didn't
Is
give
it
you
relevant?
I didn't give you permission to record me.
I don't need your permission. I'm filming from public.
You do need
Alright,
your permission
okay.
to record.
What country are you from?
It's irrelevant.
No, it is relevant.
Why?
For visa stats.
Do you think that I've entered the country illegally?
Where are you from?
It's not relevant.
It's a question.
Okay, and I've answered the question.
The exchange becomes increasingly layered, with both sides presenting their interpretations of the law. The videographer insists that public interest justifies his actions, while officers remain focused on potential security implications.
What's your answer?
I don't believe I'm entitled to answer. I don't think it's relevant to
You
what
are
I'm
in a
doing.
public place and you're being asked a question.
Okay. Am I required by law to answer the question?
Yeah, you are.
What law am I obliged?
Sorry?
Which law obligates me to answer?
Oh, where are you from?
Doesn't matter.
Sorry?
Doesn't matter. Do you suspect that I've entered illegally?
Sorry?
Do you suspect that I've entered the country illegally?
Sorry?
Do you suspect?
I can't hear you.
Do you suspect that I've entered the country illegally?
Which country?
Ireland.
Ireland. Are you from Ireland?
Perhaps.
Sorry?
Perhaps.
Well, can I see some identification?
No, I don't have any ID.
You don't?
No.
Right. Okay. You don't have any ID on your person whatsoever?
No.
A directive is issued for him to leave the area, reportedly under public order provisions. The video questions the legal basis for this order, asking whether any actual offense has been committed to justify such enforcement.
None. Okay. You know, you'd be able to tell us who you are and where you're from.
I don't have to.
Sorry?
I don't have to.
It says who?
It's my obligation not to.
In what country?
Under section 43 of the Irish Constitution, I have the right to assemble here.
Sorry?
Section 43, or Article 43.
No, we have sections. We don't have articles. They have articles in the UK.
Okay, well, the Irish
I think you're
Constitution.
mixing your countries up now.
I'm not mixing my countries up, but I have the right
Might
to
be.
assembly. Section 6, subsection 1. I have the right to assemble here. I'm just doing some filming. There's nothing more to it than that. I am allowed.
You're not allowed.
I've done my
It's in
research.
the
I wouldn't be
clearly
irresponsible.
haven't. I mean, you're
I
mixing
have.
up what country
So
as
what?
well. Your
What?
articles and your sections.
As more officers gather, the videographer expresses concern about being surrounded. He describes the situation as intimidating, noting that he is alone and not engaging in any threatening or disruptive behavior.
You are not allowed. Okay?
Excuse me?
Have your press credentials.
I don't have any press credentials.
No credentials. You know no.
I don't need any credentials. I'm a member of the public, filming from public.
Official car of the vehicle.
It's not an
This
offence
is
to do
actually-
so.
Yeah, this actually is. This belongs to the station. Do you know what I mean? So you're not
Okay.
actually allowed.
What information could I pull from that registration?
You can. Do you know what I mean? It's not allowed. It's prohibited.
I don't think it is. I've done my research. I wouldn't be irresponsible. I have.
Well. So I'm giving you an order now to leave the area, please. You're
What's
not
that, under
allowed to film me. You
section
do not have
8?
my permission. You do not have my permission to film me. You
I don't
do not
need
have my-
anyone's
because
permission.
You do actually.
So you're ordering me
actually
under
do.
section 8 of the
I'm
Public Order
ordering
Act?
you, You're not allowed. Record.
Just Public Order Act.
Yeah, so section 8. Have I contravened any other section of the Public Order Act?
Sorry?
Have I contravened any other section of the Public Order Act for you to give me a directive under section 8?
The officers, however, maintain that he is within their operational environment. This disagreement highlights a key tension, the boundary between public space and perceived workplace authority, a common issue in similar encounters.
You've been informed.
Yes, but on what basis?
Give your name and address as well. That's section 24.
Yeah, but I haven't contravened any section of the Public Order Act.
You're refusing to give that. You have no ID.
I haven't committed any
You
offences, have
no
I?
ID, on you whatsoever.
I don't need any ID.
You're saying you won't even give your details, and then you're filming it.
Can you not surround me, please?
No.
Can you not surround me, please? I'm feeling very intimidated.
Sorry?
Can you not surround me?
But you're in my workplace.
But I'm filming from public.
No, you're in my workplace.
Okay,
This
but
is my
there's
workplace.
no
So if
need
you
to
want,
stand so
back.
close.
Stand back. But you're in my workplace.
So this is an intimidation tactic.
No, it's not. You're in my workplace.
Why are you standing so close? Is there
I'm
not
in my
COVID?
workplace.
Should we not have 2 meters distance?
You should, yeah.
Well, you're coming up to me.
No, this is my workplace.
Okay, I understand that. I'm not
Yeah, you're in his
causing
You're in
a
my
problem.
workplace.
I'm not causing an issue. Can you not stand so close? Look how close this guy's.
The videographer attempts to de-escalate by focusing on dialogue. He explains that his goal is to document how authorities respond to public filming, emphasizing transparency and accountability as central themes of his work.
Standing.
You're in my workplace.
Alright. Can you have a word with, I don't feel like there's any need for this. I've communicated, I've explained what I'm
You
doing.
haven't explained. You said public interest.
With all
You
due
haven't
respect, I don't
given
need to
any
I don't.
explanation whatsoever.
Excuse me? I'm just making a video.
For what?
People are interested in seeing these videos.
Seeing what? The patrol cars driving in.
No, they want to see. They want to see how the authorities react to people filming from public, and they want to see the authorities respect their rights.
You can't even give a genuine reason, an explanation why you're recording.
I don't need to have a reason or an explanation.
You're filming us, and you have absolutely no explanation for what.
I do have an explanation.
You don't have an explanation.
I do.
You don't.
Rest assured.
I told you I don't want to be on foot.
Well, you're welcome.
Some officers appear more receptive than others. One engages in a calmer discussion, raising concerns about privacy, particularly regarding privately owned vehicles that may be present on or near the premises.
You're welcome to.
You're in our workplace.
I'm not in your workplace. I'm in a public place.
No, it's not. This is our workplace.
So this isn't a public place.
This is our workplace. All this is part.
I'm aware, but it can be filmed from public.
No, it can't. Said to you, you can't even give a proper explanation.
There is a proper explanation.
You're not.
Matters of public interest. The public are interested to see how their tax money is being spent. Interactions between the public and the authorities.
You can't even tell us where you're from, so we don't even know.
I don't need to tell you.
So why are you saying you're doing it on behalf of the taxpayers when you can't prove you're a taxpayer?
I don't need to prove I'm a taxpayer. What about other taxpayers?
You're a hypocrite.
Okay, let's reserve our opinions. Like, you're in uniform, you're at work.
You prove it and not have a discussion with you, but at the moment you're just a hypocrite.
Okay, I'll be a hypocrite.
The videographer acknowledges these concerns, but maintains that anything visible from a public vantage point can typically be recorded. He stresses that his footage is not intended for misuse, but for general documentation.
Why are you standing so close, bro? There's no need for this.
I'm not your bro.
I'm not your... Alright.
I'm just curious. I like your phone, you see.
You're trying to intimidate me. Can you tell him to pack it in? Like, there's no need. Excuse me? Excuse me? Why do I need to stop recording? I'm just expressing my right to film from public. This is very unprofessional behaviour. Excuse me?
There's private cars as well in there. You have no right to record our private cars either.
They're not exempt from being filmed.
No, yeah, they are.
They're not.
You have no regard. There's a security issue around it. You have no right to record.
Okay, well, rest assured, I haven't got.
You have no right to record private vehicles.
Actually, if they're in public or anything I can see from public.
Place.
But I can film them from public.
Questions about his identity and intentions persist. The videographer declines to provide further personal details, reiterating that he is under no legal obligation to do so in the absence of reasonable suspicion.
No, it's a private area. You're not allowed to record private cars. There's a national security with regards to it.
Insecurity in regards to what?
Because they're guards, private vehicles.
Okay.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have known that.
Yeah, well, they are. Well, what did you think they were?
Excuse me? I have done my homework, but I can film anything from public. This is very unprofessional.
No, it's not. You're reporting me. I can report you.
But this whole trying to surround me, intimidate me, like...
He's allowed to record you. You're in a public place.
You seem quite reasonable. I'd rather speak with you. Like, you two, I don't know, like,
You two
what's going on? Like,
you were asked a question why you're recording.
They're right. Recording. Car vehicles.
And private.
okay, is it an offence?
To record private vehicles.
I haven't been able to make out any private...
The conversation shifts toward broader principles, including privacy, safety, and public accountability. Both sides present arguments, though no clear resolution emerges regarding the legality of the filming in this specific context.
vehicles.
No, really. Who are we going by? You saying that?
But regardless, they can be filmed.
Sorry, it's safety as well.
And your CCTV cameras
It's
film
safety.
everyone's private cars.
It's safety.
Okay, I'm not here to...
So we're working in it like for security and safety. Okay, so there is an issue around recording our private vehicles and our reg numbers. Do you know what I mean? We don't know what purpose you're going to be using this for. Exactly.
Just for my own recreation.
No, for what? We have an issue with regards to that. I have an issue with my...
It's not a security risk.
It is.
It's not.
Yes, it is.
It's not.
Who? Says you. As a complete stranger who won't give over any of your information.
I don't need to give over my information.
Oh, we know.
I'm expressing
God knows
my rights.
what you're linked to. Do you know what I mean? So my point is, I
Linked to what?
I don't want my personal vehicle reg being anywhere.
It's not going to be
You
anywhere,
don't
don't
have
worry.
my authority. Yeah, I have.
At one point, a videographer attempts to lighten the situation with humor, even offering a symbolic gesture to ease tensions. The offer is declined, but it reflects his effort to reduce hostility during the exchange.
What? A stranger's word for that?
Okay, well, you have to go on based on what you know. Not everyone is...
everything. You don't have a right.
I'm not a
to
criminal,
fill in my-
like, you can't just suspect
Did
me.
I say you were? Yeah. But we don't know who you are.
Well,
Yeah, and
you
I'm
can't
saying
treat
you do
everyone as
not-
a suspect.
You do not have the right to record our own.
Well, technically
private
I do.
No, you don't. It's private spot. You do
The
not.
CCTV
you do
cameras
not.
can-
You do not. That's different. You do not. You're a private person. You do not have a right to record private reg and use them for whatever purposes. You don't. So go back and look up your legislation.
You okay?
Right, yeah, you.
Yeah. Would you mind identifying yourself?
Sorry, well, I did.
What's your...
Despite ongoing disagreements, the videographer remains consistent in his stance. He asserts that exercising lawful rights should not be met with intimidation, emphasizing the importance of mutual respect in public interactions.
Your name?
My name?
Yeah.
Card.
God.
Yep.
Alright.
As I said, I like your phone, it's nice.
Thanks.
Where'd you get it?
It's an iPhone.
An iPhone?
Yeah.
What type of iPhone?
iPhone XR. Can you just leave me alone? Like, I feel a
Well,
little
I'm in
bit
my
harassed.
workplace. I'm entitled to do whatever I want in my workplace.
Well, no, well, technically you're not. Like,
I am actually. It's part
we're
of the
in a
station.
public place.
Yeah.
You're just kind of coming up to me, circling me, surrounding me.
Oh,
with,
as I
like,
said, it's a nice phone. I'm thinking of getting one myself, you see.
so you're not trying to intimidate me.
No.
Hey, how about this? Do you want this? From me to you.
A gift?
It's an iPhone 8, yeah. If I give you this, will you leave me alone?
But I'm not doing nothing with you.
You say you wanted a phone. Here, take this phone.
Sorry?
The officers continue to stress security concerns, particularly in relation to recording operational details. This reflects a broader institutional perspective, where caution is often prioritized in sensitive environments.
Take this phone.
Oh no, I don't want any of your property, sir.
Okay.
No. I couldn't deprive you of your phone. Why do you have two phones?
Yeah.
That's nice.
But how can we proceed? Like, can we find a resolution? Like,
Yes, stop recording.
I can't just stop recording
Why can you not stop recording?
because this is part of like a civil rights thing. I can't just concede to what you're saying.
It's not conceding to what we're saying. So what's your plan? To stand here all day?
No.
How much footage do we need? My rights as a person either. I told you I don't want to be filmed. He told you he doesn't want to be filmed. So you're not respecting any of that.
As the interaction progresses, it becomes clear that neither side is willing to concede their position. The videographer stands firm on legal grounds, while officers remain focused on perceived risks and internal policies.
If you're in public, you don't have any.
I do have rights. So
Any
what? I
rights?
don't have rights?
Not.
Called humanity.
I actually do have rights.
Yeah, I know. I.
And you're not showing any respect or dignity towards argument.
Listen, if the camera's upsetting you, then that's on you. Like,
It's not on us.
it's just like the feelings,
You
please.
didn't
Like,
like him standing in front of you. So
yeah,
why
but that's
is
a
it
little
any
bit different, isn't it?
No, it's not.
You're a hypocrite if you've shown no respect and no humanity towards us.
I'm sorry you feel that way.
Well, if you fancy standing there in the rain, that was something.
Okay, I will. Thanks.
Like, see you later, lads. Yeah, and if I find you outside you filming any private vehicle registers, it would be a different story.
Okay.
Or a code into.
Eventually, the videographer decides to conclude the encounter. He reflects on the behavior observed, noting differences in approach among the officers and expressing cautious restraint to avoid further escalation.
Thank you. Listen, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. I have to hold back a little bit. I have to hold back just a little bit because I shouldn't really, but I have to hold back just a little bit because I don't know. I don't want him to start moving mad, arresting me and this and that. I'm surprised that they didn't actually push further for details. I'm surprised they didn't push for it a bit more. So she was very set on the whole private number plate thing.
Closing the recording, he summarizes the experience as a demonstration of public filming rights and official response. The encounter serves as a case study in balancing transparency, authority, and individual freedoms within a public setting.
I wanted to tell her, listen, I can film your car all I like, but at the same time, I don't know. At the same time, I don't want to provoke her too much. Because yeah, they did seem a little bit lawless. The guy in the car seemed a little bit more understanding. I could just tell by his body language. But that big fella and the lady, yeah. They had their own ideas. But anyway, probably gonna wrap this up right here. Oh, that scared the shit out of me. But yeah, gonna wrap this up here. That was.
The recording concludes with a reflection on public filming rights and official response. The encounter serves as a study in balancing transparency, authority, and individual freedoms within a public setting, highlighting the ongoing negotiation between citizens and institutions.
What was the place called again? Irish Town, Garda Station. So I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Go to curlycoin.com. Join the Telegram group chat. Links will be pinned. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Burks_2H. And yeah, peace.